Our results headings aren't lining up correctly. To fix this, go to Results PHP and change the class to Results heading. And that slight change has fixed our problem. To show our No Results page, go to the top of Results PHP, open and close a PHP bracket, and put in the if find count is more than 0 condition. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the file, open and close a PHP bracket, and put in the end curly bracket. Underneath, we can put in an else statement. And from the support files area, you'll want to take that shrug image and pop it into your images folder. And in GIMP or Photoshop, you'll want to resize it so that the width is 500 pixels. We can export it directly into our images folder and replace the contents. Then towards the end of results.php, inside our else brackets, we can close and open some PHP and we can pop in the image. I've given it a class of center image. Please go into untrans styles CSS, and after where we've styled the footer, we're actually going to put in 2 rules. One will let me color the error box a pale pink, and the other will correctly center the image using display flex and justifying the content to the center. Underneath our image, we can put in an extra paragraph, and then we can put in our div to display the error, where I've just apologized that there's no results and suggested an alternate way of getting results. Now, if there are no results, we get the no results page as expected. Right now, our quick search only looks at words. So if I type in FREN for French, it doesn't come up with anything. We can fix this by going into our SQL condition and adding in an or statement where instead of just looking at the word, we can look at the meaning. We can also look at the language. So now if I search for Fren or French, it's going to come up with the 8 expected results. Thing is, right now, it's not actually ordering it alphabetically. Happily, this is an easy fix. We can tell it to order by word in ascending order. And now when I do the search, the words are in alphabetical order as hoped. Our next step is to set up our advanced search. If you go into Banner Nav, you'll notice that we have an include for our side panel. One of the first things that I'd like you to do is change the instruction so that users know they can leave everything blank to retrieve all of the results. Then underneath the instruction, please open and close a form tag where the start of the form tag is the same as it was for Quick Search. Then inside, create an input class with the placeholder with keyword. Set the input class to Search Advanced, and in your form CSS, please add in the rules for our advanced boxes. While we're here, please put in the rule for our advanced button. Our advanced search button is going to have a pale green background color. And when we hover over it, the text will become white and the background will become dark green. We can also set up the color rules for our Add Entry button. In our Input Text area rule, we want to also add the Select option. When we make our widgets, to easily put a gap between them, we can insert a margin bottom of 10 pixels. As usual, this video is getting a little bit long, so we'll continue this process in the next video.